folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking. If it's Dutch oven cooking, cast iron cooking, live fire cooking, or you're just here for the recipes, don't forget to subscribe.
Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking, and first off, Happy New Year. Today's video we're going to be having a look back at 2020 and what a year 2020's been. So we've done 60 cooks this year, which has been quite a feat. We've enjoyed doing all of them. We hope you've enjoyed watching them. We know we're getting plenty of comments and thumbs up on the old YouTube. We've managed to grow the channel this year by about 850 subscribers, so I'm actually really pleased with that. We'll have to see what 2021 brings us. We'd like to hit the 1,000 subscribers marks, but I'm sure with your help we'll be able to do that. So let's have a look at some of the cooks we've done in 2020. So that's what we did in 2020. So 2021 brings a new challenge, more ideas, fresh ideas. And of course, if you've got any cooks that you'd like to see me do, just leave a comment in one of the videos and we'll see if we can do it. So what's new for 2021? Well, in the yard we're going to be looking at installing a new wood-fired oven to replace the old one, as the old one seems to throw ash on top of all the food, so we're going to be doing that. We're also going to be looking at a wood-burning stove that we're going to build, and also a flat barbecue area that we're going to build as well for live fire cooking. So that's all to come in 2021. So all there is left to say is carry on cooking. We look forward to seeing your videos. The most important thing is stay safe.
If you like what we're doing here at Dutch Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.